It's not working. I don't know why. That's annoying. All right, if like me you have some issue to charge your Tesla, you plug the charger and then it complains that something is wrong, well, there is a solution for you, quick solution, quick fix, and maybe that will fix your issue as well. All you need is just this product, which is CRC electronic cleaner here, and some Q-tips here, and eventually a random rag, just for cleaning up the mess. Now, let's go to the technique. First, you pick up your phone, of course, and you open your Tesla app and you open your charging ports. Once you do that, you have approximately 2 minutes of the port being kept open to work in it before it starts to close again. Of course, this port will stay open if you plug something in it, but when it's just open like that, it will just stay 2 minutes open. So be quick, maybe put a timer on, and then you can work inside your port while it's open in this 2-minute time frame. All right, now we have about 2 minutes to work, but don't worry, if you don't make it in 2 minutes, you just wait until the door closes and then open it for 2 more minutes. Anyway, easy peasy, you just take your CRC electronic cleaner and then you just do a quick up, up, up. That's it. No 3 tons of product. Up, here we go. And now we take the Q-tip and then we are going to go inside and around the plug of each plug actually, like so. And now you can see how dirty it is. So there we go. We are doing some good cleaning and that will improve your charging. Not your charging speed, but at least your charging connection when you plug your charging plug here in your Tesla. Here we go. Look at that, all this gook up around all those connectors. Once, of course, your Q-tip is done, take another one. And here we go. Checking the time. Oh, it's going to close in a bit. Here we go. That's why it's important to check, to put a timer on when you do that. And now we're going to open the door again and keep doing the cleaning with the Q-tip. And of course, after cleaning the Tesla side, don't forget to clean also the plug side. Same principle with your up CRC cleaner, up, and now with the Q-tip, like so. And now testing time, here we go. The result is, look at that. Perfecto, we get the green light right away. On the first try too, so perfect. All clean, the plug side and the Tesla side. That's a quick cleaning that will save you a lot of headache. Et voilà, done. All clean up, everything is good. The plug on the Tesla side, it's clean. Of course, the plug that I'm going to plug on here, it's clean as well. It's very important to clean both elements. And now we are good to go. Hop. Everything is fine, and I hope this video has been useful, and I hope this little tip to help you to charge better your Tesla was helpful for you as well. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, of course. On commence. Il y a du vent aujourd'hui. Il fait bon, il fait pas trop chaud. C'est bien. Par contre, la caméra, elle bouge. Je sais pas ce que ça va donner. Once you do that, now it's open. You do have approximately. Once you do that, you have approximately 2 minutes of the port being kept open. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Ah, on n'a pas perdu.